Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer timesheets from Toggl to Hubstaff, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Toggl and log into your account. Navigate to the Reports section on the left sidebar. Select the date range for the timesheets you want to transfer. Click on that Export button located at the top right corner. Choose the format you prefer, such as CSV. Download the exported file to your computer. Next, open Hubstaff and log into your account. In Hubstaff, navigate to the Timesheets section on the left. Click on the Import button found at the top right corner. Select Import from CSV from the options available. Upload the CSV file you downloaded from Toggl. Map the fields from the Toggl CSV to the corresponding Hubstaff fields. Ensure the data aligns correctly, including hours, clients, and projects. Review the mapped data for any discrepancies. Once verified, click on the Import button to transfer the timesheets. Monitor the progress of the import and await confirmation. Check your Hubstaff timesheets to ensure all entries have transferred accurately. If you encounter any errors, review the import log for guidance. Correct any issues with the CSV file and attempt the import again. You have now successfully transferred your timesheets from Toggl to Hubstaff. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.